Engineering design is one of the key factors on every engineering student. Lemelson Engineering and DIT Engineering Internship and IPT is essential to students to learn how to conduct and how to do engineering process to produce something. So they learn from how to design a problem and how to solve a problem. Using local available resources with their expertise will make it easier for them when they go to the market, when they get their own startups, to make them efficient engineers to compete in the market and also to create reliable technologies. So a design studio is a free makerspace which enables anyone, any creator, any innovator to come innovate or to come design and learn and to do. So when it's a combination of a group of engineers, non-engineers and the user, all they come together to create a single product. As we know, every product is being designed not with a single engineer but multidisciplinary engineers. So this design studio bring them all together to come and to accomplish what is needed in the society.
We have conducted a number of workshops, not only to students but also to staff, because students are being supervised by staff members. So it's the responsibility of staff members to be also aware of what is happening. So we conducted some workshops in engineering design and needs finding. And this has helped also even students when they are given tasks. They go and look for problems within the society and they propose solutions out of that.
Project, we made oxygen analyzer, equipment that analyzed the oxygen concentration. We went to visit Amana Hospital and Kigamboni District Hospital. They both had oxygen concentrator which produced oxygen, but there was no device that displayed the concentration of the oxygen produced. So the equipment is to analyze the oxygen concentration, because as we went there was the oxygen concentrator was producing oxygen, but it was not determining the content. But the equipment can also be used in the mining areas where in the underground we don't know the concentration of oxygen. It can be used to determine the concentration of oxygen to help and save life. So the equipment is multi-purpose. It can be served to analyze the oxygen produced by the equipment and determine the oxygen in the surrounding based on the sensor placed.
In the hospital, there are various problems, but one which we noticed and we decided to deal with is that we noticed there are patients that have problems being fed in accurate rates. So we decided to take that as a project. So we created the infusion pump. As you can see, this is the infusion pump whereby you can be able to put some food and give the patient food in the accurate rate.
Specifically in sterilization of the plastic equipment, where the sterilization they do by bridge method, like chemical, where other equipment they follow in steam sterilization, but for plastic equipment it's not suitable in sterilization. So there's a challenge in keeping the sterility and the sterilization of the plastic equipment. So in our group, we come up with a solution, which was a UV box sterilizer, which can be able to sterilize the plastic equipment and maintain sterility.
DIT, as DIT, we are actually implementing a concept, we call it teaching factory concept. This concept makes sure that solutions that are provided within the institution are actually linked with the problems that the society have. And we need skilled people to address those solutions. And students and staff, these are the people who provide those solutions. So we need to equip them with all the necessary skills so that whatever problem they address, then the society can benefit out of it.
Because in this internship program, I have learned a lot of things. Of course, after I compare myself before joining the internship program. Of course, myself, I've learned a lot of about team working and cooperation, as well as a lot of skills like 3D printing and also SolidWorks design, as well as some skills about, of course, 2D coding, and also computer-aided design, as well as electronic design.
It was a good experience working on a different field, the medical field. It was a great experience for me. And as first we did research and contact research on different hospitals, that was a great experience that I've ever experienced in my life. Because I'm pursuing computer engineering, so we always busy with computer and stuff like that, save and almost that. But it was a great experience to me.
After Lemelson internship program, we intend to make sure all the products that are made during the internship and the IPT are not set on the level of prototype only. Through DIT company, which is a company available in DIT, we intend to make sure all these products are being pushed through the students to the market. They will undergo some researches, they will undergo some clinical trials in which they will be able to be available in the market. It's not easy or it's not anytime soon, but they will be available in the market all after everything is done. But we thank that we have DIT, a company that will be helping us to backing up the process.
What I see actually the next 2 years, I see now DIT is the really teaching factory, because if you go around and see the skills that students have, the products that the students have come up based on the problem within society, you really feel that we are creating problem solvers rather than just graduates, but we are creating problem solvers. And it's our responsibility to expose students to those real-life problems, because learning by doing, it has a significant impact to society. And we really welcome not only DIT students, but students from other institutions. They should come and see what DIT is doing. This company, DIT Company Limited, is actually responsible to take these innovations to the community. And that's why it's our also responsibility to see whatever innovations that are around, to put it to the community so that we get as much input as possible.
Through this process, which I am in DIT Design Studio, I've learned that our own problems should be solved by us, our engineers and our students who are doing engineering subjects. So all the problems which are happening, which are in our society, can be and will be solved by us. Most of the solutions which are available now in the market are not meant for us directly, but we are using it because the only solution that we have. We should trust our engineers, we should trust ourselves to be able to compete or to make the solution that will be solving our own problems.
We're encouraging whoever is having that opportunity to make use of the design studio at DIT, because your ideas, we all made different, and these creative ideas will not be the same from one person to another. So if you have some idea, bring it to the design studio. You'll get, the expertise guidance, but also you have an opportunity to use the facilities that are there at the design studio and develop something.
On accomplishment of the milestone, I can say I'm proud of us. I'm proud of me, I'm proud of my team, the DIT Design Studio team, which include my other technicians and other staff. And also, on top of them, I'm so proud of the students who are working in DIT Design Studio. They are working really hard, they dedicate their time, their attention, they dedicate sometimes even their extended skill, so as they make sure that all this will be done in a perfect way and to save lives.
We really thank RISE 360 under the NESTY program that we are able to mimic what they are doing in the other places, and this collaboration has really brought us some significant changes to our students. We cannot now really feel like we are actually doing the theory only. Rather, we are providing solutions to the problem that exists in the community.